Hello guys. Mm, Good day. So today this is my ever first video on how I do my regular makeup when I don't need all this stuff on my face. I just want to be simple but classic. So this video is my ever first makeup video. So I'll be showing you how, for those who cannot afford big equipments for makeup, like the various type of makeup brush, all those type of materials that you will need. So I will be going down on earth with this one. I will be showing you what I do to still look beautiful like the other people who use all the makeup equipments, all the makeup kits. They have all of them, but since some of us might not have it and will still be wondering, how do I do my makeup? Is it that I cannot do makeup because I don't have makeup kits? Even the little you have, you can still make yourself to look beautiful like what you can see on the video. So keep watching. Please watch to the end.